Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete YouTube search history on iPhone. So first of all, open YouTube, then tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now at the top right corner, tap on the gear icon, which is settings. Now over here, tap on the option of manage all history. Here we go. Now, once you come here, you'll see various search history and watch history of your YouTube account. Now, if you scroll up above, you'll see the option of auto delete, which says 36 months. So if you tap on that option, over here, you can select any of the time frame according to your preferences, and then your YouTube search history along with watch history will automatically be deleted within the selected time frame. Now over here, we are going to tap on the option of delete and choose the time frame according to your preference. I'm going to tap on delete all time. Now over here, you can see your entire search history along with your watch history of your YouTube account. Now all you have to do is tap on the option of delete at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now just tap on got it. And then after this, you can see that your entire YouTube search history along with watch history is deleted. So this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.